Alright guys, random video, thus talking about tire plugs again. So we already know we did this tire plug video on the Suzuki GSXF 600, which had a lot of views and a lot of comments about whether tire plugs are good, whether they're bad, what type to use, whether it's a cord type, a rubber type, a patch, a plug, a seal, fix a flat, whether you twist the plug in, whether you push it straight in, whether you use rubber cement, whether you don't, whether you use Gorilla Glue, Crazy Glue, whatever glues you have. Most people say don't put them in a motorcycle, put them in a car, you'll be fine. Put them in a truck tire, no problem. Well, I've got my brother-in-law visiting. He's up from California. We've got this all-terrain Sierra, the Minnesota-bound version, big truck, Z71, four-wheel drive. And you know, I'm going to tell you something. You can have a plug in anything. It doesn't ever mean it's going to hold, and it doesn't mean it's any safer in a car either. Because if you get a flat tire and your car at 70 miles an hour and your tire goes flat, you're still screwed. So here we go. He's got this plug installed, and he came up from California, and he just noticed it. And poured a little bit of Gatorade on there. Go ahead and pour a little more Gatorade on there, Jer.
Oh, we got coffee this time.
We got coffee, so we're going to pour coffee on here. I got a little liquid. We're going to do a little test here and see what's happening here with this plug. So,
One more.
let's see what we got. Had a nice little bubble going out of there a second ago. And I don't know where it went. Looks like it fixed itself, Jarrett.
All right, good.
All right, well, we had a tire plug that was leaking, and looks to be really good right now. Oh, here we go. Couple bubbles out of there.
You know what? It could be the sugar in the coffee.
It could be the sugar in the coffee, guys. We might need some water. Hang on here. We're gonna get some water on here because this thing was bubbling a second ago. There we go. So we got a leak. There we go, actively bubbling right now. So that's a tire plug. It's in the center of the tread. It was holding for a long time, but now he's up in Oregon and it's leaking. Now, luckily he parked it right here. It was just by chance we saw this. Now you ask, what are we gonna do? Are we gonna patch it? Are we gonna replug it? Are we gonna burn the plug? I've read a lot of comments on what to do. This plug has failed though, and it is not working 100%. So we'll figure out what to do with this tire, and maybe we'll make another little video of us plugging it and then giving a report on it. But for right now, this tire is leaking air. And there it is.